Hey guys, today we are repairing animatronics. We will do Bonnie first.
Welcome back
We're in
to
Yay.
Parts and Service. Oh no, it looks like Bonnie's guitar is out of tune and must be recalibrated. First, we must access his harmonization module located inside his secondary throat pipe. To access the throat pipe, both eyes must first be removed. You must be as precise as possible when removing the eyes from their respective sockets. First, firmly grip Bonnie's left eye and carefully remove it from its socket. Deposit the right eye in the cleaning receptacle on your right.
Am I lagging?
Great job. Deposit the left eye in the cleaning receptacle on your left. Well done. Now, firmly grip Bonnie's right eye and carefully remove it from its socket. Welcome back to Deposit the right eye in the cleaning receptacle on your right. It looks like Bonnie's guitar is out of tune and must be recalibrated. First, we must access his harmonization module located in Bonnie's faceplate. Carefully press the two buttons located on either side of Bonnie's jaw.
I can't listen
now! Done correctly. And carefully remove it from its socket.
What did you say? Okay, I'm not gonna rush this time.
Welcome back to Parts and Service.
Welcome back to Parts and blah 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 blah.
Bonnie's guitar is out of tune and must be recalibrated. First, we must access his harmonization module located inside his secondary throat pipe. To access the throat pipe, both eyes must first be removed. You must be as precise as possible when removing the eyes from their respective sockets. First, firmly grip Bonnie's left eye. Deposit the right. Carefully remove it. Good job. Great job. To open Bonnie's faceplate, the left eye. Carefully in the cleaning receptacle on your left, on either side of Bonnie's jaw. Well done.
I see.
Now, firmly grip Bonnie's right eye and carefully remove it from its socket. Something is not right. One of those notes is out of tune. You may push the button again to replay the audio check. Press the blinking button again to verify your work. Great job. Bonnie is in tune and ready for his solo.
Yay!
Let's close him up. Simply replace both eyes in the same order that you removed them. Then close up the faceplate, and we'll call it a day.
Easy, 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 easy.
Well done. That concludes your Parts and Services task.
We did it! Comment which one I should do next. Bye.